Welcome to Ricambi's video on how to install the door seal or weather strip that goes around the door opening on a Fiat Spider 2000 or Fiat 124 Spider. It already has been removed from this car because this car was painted. The removal is pretty easy. One just pulls it off this channel all the way around, and over here there is this chrome piece that's bolted down with 4 screws that has to be removed. And it's usually a good idea to take loose this rear panel just so we have a better accessibility here. And basically one just pulls the old one off, and here's the new one. It's always a good idea to inspect the ends, make sure there's no sharp pieces left over from cutting, and remove any sharp pieces as needed. Before starting installation, it's best to remove this filler panel that goes between the dash and the A-pillar here, just to make installation easier. There is just a single screw down here, and let's remove it. I like to start on this end because we have to slide the weather strip under this B-pillar cap, and this cap has this round tube that comes down that has to go inside the round bulb of the weather strip. Let's put that in, slide it under, push it on. And now you can go around and just tap it on this rubber mallet. I've realized that I haven't removed the door pocket, and it might be difficult to get the door seal in there with it in place, so we're going to remove that. This one looks like it's missing one of the screws. There, just pull it away. Especially here in the corner, let's make sure that it's all the way down. We don't want to cut the corner, so to say. Here's the transition between the body and then this piece. It looks like it's lined up pretty good. Well, it looks like our piece ended up being a bit longer than we needed, so I'll have to use some tin snips to trim it down. Need to cut right there. There's a blade. this should tuck under here. Might have made it a bit too big, but let's see. Of course, let's not put back the dash filler piece. That gets screwed on over there. The map pocket. This rear panel. And then the chrome strip that gets screwed in four different places. And of course, this car doesn't have a carpet yet, so I'm not gonna put this on because this holds down both the carpet and the weather strip.